So you know those nights when you're watching a movie, you've had a few beers and you're just scrolling through Facebook or Insta or whatever, and you get an ad for a car part or a car tool and you're like, yeah, this seems like a good idea. I've had a bunch of beers. That's how I got this. This is a $14 dent puller off eBay. So the idea behind this is you get a packet of these little doogalackies here and you use a hot glue gun, you find your dent, you put a bit of glue in it, you let it set, and then this pulls the dent out. And you've got all the different attachments for all the different size dents and shapes and things like that. So our question today is, does a $14 dent puller off eBay work? Let's find out. Okay, so now I've just got to go through and pick the right size dent puller. So this dent is obviously from a car door. And if you'll see here, you can see the dent. We're trying to pull that out. So I'm thinking probably that size will work. So hell, let's give that a go. Glue gun here. Big double glue on. And stick it to our dent. Alright, here we go. So, put our feet down, put that over the top, and then give it a bit of a and it pops off like that, and then we just need to scrape it off. I think that actually made a bit of difference. Obviously you've got the crease where the door's hit, but it's pulled out the majority of the dent. Alrighty, we've got another little spot here on the door. It's only a little one. We'll see if we can get that out. I've lined the other camera up. So the line on the garage door's there so you can see the actual dent. So, get it clean. See if we can make this one better. Well, bugger me, it actually kind of fixed it. If anything, it's pulled it out a little bit now, so I'll probably give it a tap with a hammer. And get rid of that. Alright, we've got another one here. Give it a quick go. Let's see if we can improve it. Not bad, it's still there, but it's definitely way better than it was. So is this thing worth it? For 14 bucks, I reckon. It's never going to do as good a job as a paintless dent repair guy. Like, I had a guy come and work on the saw and I literally cannot see the marks anymore and I had to branch hit the car. But to get the dents out of my $1,000 Subaru, I reckon that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go around the rest of the car and pull them out. And I think you can get little rubber tipped hammers as well, and you can sort of, if you pull it out too far, you can just knock it back in carefully, and yeah, I reckon you get it pretty straight. It'll take out most of them and make it look a little bit better. So cool drunken purchase. There you go, random little episode. Check back soon. We are doing some Nug stuff. I went and saw our friend Ryan and we've got some cool stuff designed up, and hopefully next week we should be able to get you another video. So check back. Thanks, bye.